Welcome to Northtown Lexus. I'm Jeff Martin. Today we're going to take a couple minutes. I'm going to show you some features on the 2025 and 2026 Lexus RX 350. The interior door handles have a little bit different design. Previously you just pull the latch and the door opened up. Now you've actually got a push button right here. If you just give this button a little push when you're in the car, the door will open up. Very simple. In the instance where you ever lost power to the vehicle, because this is all electric, what would happen is this lever right here, if you can pull it out like this, it says 2X on it. If you just go 1, 2, that door would always pop right open. The reason for the push button here, Lexus has a wonderful system that as soon as you push that button when you're inside the car, sensors outside the vehicle are looking in this direction. They're looking for a pedestrian, they're looking for someone on a bike or another car. If you went to push that button and there was someone right here, there'd be a beep and it would not let you open the door right away. So kind of cool technology. One other thing I'll show you here as far as the door, of course you can push the button, very simple, lock the doors. One push of the unlock button will unlock just the driver's door. 1, 2 pushes will unlock all the doors, very simple. If you ever unlock the doors on your Lexus like I just did, if about a minute goes by where you don't actually physically open one of the doors will relock themselves. You'll hear a beep. The alarm system will turn back on. The car realizes you're not coming back, that's all. Kind of neat stuff. I want to show you one other neat feature here. All of our cars, in the instance where your battery went dead, okay, you obviously can't unlock the door now because it's electronic. There's a way to get into the car and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you go in your wallet and you pull out any credit card, what you could do is right on the side of the door handle right here, there's a little indentation. If you just take your credit card and just pop it in like this, you'll hear one pop. Now take it and put it into the other side of the door right here on this end. Go for a second pop right here. Let's see what we got here. There we go. This piece will pop right off. You now have the traditional keyhole that you've had on all the old time cars. If you go into your key, the way your key is set up on your Lexus, there's a small little button on the side that says push. If you push that button and just give a pull on the handle, there is your key shank right there. That will go into the door, very simple. Turn it to the right. In that instance, I still had the alarm on, so I got to turn the alarm off. It's off now. That would allow you to get into the vehicle just like that. Okay, that's something I just want to show you. Hopefully you'll never need to use it, but if in one instance you do, if you remember this, it'll come in very handy for you. This piece then just pops right back on, very simply like this here. You just kind of put it in like this, and just give it a push. It snaps back on and you're good to go just like that.